What will we see on our journey? The trees and the sky, of course, to begin with. This gorgeousness. This grass, so amazing. All of those golden heads. It's like there is a real magic in this grass. Let's just watch it and listen to it. Just next door. Look at this all gorgeousness, at all of these proud heads of these herbs shooting high to the sky. When you're biking or walking, look at the things intently, really close up, and then look at the things really, really far. Pick a point and look really far. That will exercise your eyes and it will be really, really good for you. There are all of these trees standing like brothers right next to each other. Oh, and I'm just flying right under them. The bliss is so easy. You just acknowledge it and then you enter it. We are onto this amazing field, and I think it's beans, but the amazing thing is there is so much live energy in it. And the field continues, and there is this something really, really magical about this field. You see, if you look intently, can you feel sort of these tubular golden structures? You know, sometimes to really see it, you have to imagine them there. But, you know, it's like your bone that connects your hip and your thigh. And it makes like a touchdown. You see, like this shape, golden shape, like this, tubular, going up to the sky, up, and connecting to the source up there. Can you visualize that? Now, can you put those golden tubular fields all, can you see them all over the field? All over the field. You see? Just once I tuned into it and I saw them, these golden structures going up, up, up to heaven. And ever since, it's been 5 or 6 weeks, every time I bike through here, I feel like they're greeting me. And yesterday one just popped into my spine and golden streamed me to heaven right away. Imagine how many plants are growing here, and each has this life energy. Each has the life energy. And as soon as you acknowledge those golden tubular, and actually you might see it in a different shape, you know, it's energy. Life is multidimensional, and you can see all kind of things multidimensionally. How about starting to see some golden roses? The stem is in the field, and it's proudly stretching up to heaven, all the way to heaven. And then there is a golden southern petal rose opening up there. As soon as you synchronize with it, you can see it actually going through your body, the stem in your spine essence. And the golden petals are opening up just in your head. Koya coming up, there are some real amazing bright orange flowers down there. I never really got off of my bike to see it, but I think today I will because you are with me. They may have finished blooming. I see some, yeah. There you go. Here they are. They were so bright orange earlier. Orange is a color of your sexuality. It's right over your pubic bone, over pelvis. And you can just inhale this color into you and send it into your pelvis. And the brighter energy will sustain you throughout the day. And these guys wilted a little bit. But do you see this bright yellow that you can inhale into your solar plexus? In a quiet day, when you come here and you listen to these flowers, you can literally hear them laughing, giggling like children. Even though I'm happy, I'm not sure how it's coming out, my laughter right now. But here are some more orange flowers. Look at the beauty of it. And sending it to my Svadhisthana chakra, a seed of my own. Svadhi, your own stan, seed of your own sexual chakra, your sacred energy. Did you just say you wanted to see me? Here I am for just a minute. Saluting to God and to the highest in you. See ya.